In this video, we are going to create a white image and a black image using OpenCV Python. To get the code for this use case, go to kandi.openweaver.com. In this case, search for convert white pixels to black in OpenCV Python. Hit find to see all the available code snippets. We'll go with the top result as it matches our query. This use case requires OpenCV and NumPy library to function. So before going ahead, make sure that you have these libraries. If not, get it from kandi. The dependent library is available right above the code. You can copy the install script in one click. Let's get back to our code. Copy the code in a single click from here. Go to the IDE and paste the code. Now here define the image wherever required. Let's take a look at the code. Here we are importing the CV2 module for image processing. Now this loads an image file named earth.jpg and stores it in the image variable. This part of the code converts the image variable to grayscale. And here we apply Gaussian blur and canny edge detection to the image. Let's run the code now. And you have created a black and white image using OpenCV.